Hey everybody, this is Hoang, and today we're going to talk about the Digimon TCG 2020 card game, specifically a Rookie Rush deck profile. So let's get started. Alright, so to get started, let's talk about what is Rookie Rush. Rookie Rush in the Digimon card game is when you flood your board with level 3s in order to chip away at their security, because if you remember, every Digimon has a security attack of 1, and that includes your level 3s, and so if you go for this rush option, you can force your opponent to run out of security extremely quickly. Now, you may be wondering that this sounds really toxic playstyle wise, right? And I'm here to correct that misconception. Rookie Rush is actually really healthy for the game. The reason why I think Rookie Rush is healthy for the Digimon card game is because it is the equivalent of Mono Red Aggro in Magic. Mono Red Aggro in Magic is the budget option for players. It is a viable budget deck that's really easy to get access to, but also it punishes decks that want to go tall, and having counterplay within the meta is really good. And one thing I do want to talk about is that a lot of people think that Rookie Rush is super caveman, meaning it's really simple to play. And while I do think it's easy to play, I do think there's a layer of complexity that one may not expect to find within the deck. And we'll talk about that as we go along throughout the video. But first, let's give you guys some deck lists that you guys can use to play in your own games. Alright, first off, we have Blue-Green Rookie Rush. Blue-Green Rookie Rush is really good because it has access to cards such as Upamon, Vulcan's Hammer or Hammer Spark, and Flower Cannon within the 1.0 metagame. Alongside the cards I just mentioned, you also have an abundance of 1 Memory Evolution level 4s as well as blockers in order to win specific matchups. You use the 1 Memory level 4s in order to dodge the Vulcan that your opponent may play as a counterplay, and you pack blockers in order to win the Mirror or against opposing red decks. And on that note, blockers are a really huge deterrent to Rookie Rush, and one of your biggest outs to blockers outside of Flower Cannon is Puppetmon. Puppetmon is one of the best cards in Rookie Rush because it's capable of stunning an entire board, meaning if your opponent tries to push their own lethal, you're able to deter their lethal while your rookies go in for the game. And the final note that I do want to address in the Blue-Green Rookie Rush list is that Vulcan Hammer is a really powerful tool, and you should use it in order to create another body on the board, aka pushing yourself to 2 memory and playing a 2-drop vanilla, or using it so you can Flower Cannon their blocker and go for game. Because Flower Cannon is a 2 memory option, and if you're locked at 1, then you're no longer able to use it. But with Hammer Spark or Vulcan Hammer, you're able to push yourself to 2, and thus enabling it. Aside from the blue-green variation of Rookie Rush, there is also the newly innovative red-green variation of Rookie Rush. Red-green Rookie Rush brings to the table cards such as Gaia Force, Agumon Promo, and Greymon Promo. Agumon Promo gives plus 2000 DP to anything with Greymon in its name if this card's in the inheritable stack. And Greymon Promo states if you have Agumon in the stack, it gets plus 1 security attack. And so in Rookie Rush, your Greymon then swings for 7k for 2 damage, which is really powerful. And if you use this in tangent with cards like Hornbuster, which is featured in this list, you can make Greymon a 10k swing for 2 damage. Every piece of damage is really crucial in Rookie Rush because all your Digimon do 1 damage. You can also naturally run Skull Greymon, who is there to destroy blockers which would stop you otherwise. So with these 2 Rookie Rush lists in mind, let's talk about how do you beat Rookie Rush. Rookie Rush is really weak to board wipe, and the best card to wipe the board of rookies in the set 1.0 is Vulcandramon. Vulcandramon is an 11k hard slam that states, on play, destroy all Digimon with 4k or less DP. Now, the only level 3 with more than 4k being 5k is Muchomon, who is a red 3 memory hard slam. Because of this, Vulcandramon is super powerful in Rookie Rush, and since you are not digivolving in Rookie Rush, you're not cycling. And if you're not cycling, you're not generating new hand. So when Vulcandramon clears the board, Rookie Rush then runs out of fuel and thus cannot push for game. Aside from Vulcandramon, which you can run in any deck as a 1 or 2 up by the way, there are lots of different ways you can defeat Rookie Rush. Another example we have is Heat Viper in purple. Heat Viper states, destroy one of your Digimon and destroy 2 of their level 4s or lower for 5 memory. This allows you to trade 1 for 2 and then proc your on destruction effects. Alongside Heat Viper, you can run blockers and keep them on the board rather than digivolving over them, or you can run black as a color because black naturally has lots of blockers which then stop Rookie Rush's onslaught. With everything said, I do want to mention, Rookie Rush is also really interesting to deck build. You have a lot of options that you can incorporate into your deck in order to make it the best performing list as possible. You can incorporate cards such as Leomon in your blue-green list in order to generate +3 memory on destruction if you use BT1 Gomamon. You can use cards such as Vulcan-Dramon or Magna-Dramon in order to make your mirror matchups a lot stronger. And you can also include cards such as Kudamon or Tapermon in order to generate more draw power. Rookie Rush is not as simple as you think, and there's a lot of different ways that you can design the deck. Alright, and now closing thoughts. Rookie Rush is healthy for the game because it allows budget players to have access to a tier 1 deck that isn't fast Omnimon or Beelzemon purple. As new sets come out, we get more cards to deal with Rookie Rush, such as Shakomon, Lightning Paw, or Alter S. And simultaneously, while we get more cards to deal with Rookie Rush is also constantly evolving. It gains cards such as Positron Laser or Betamon in future sets. I have now won a tournament with Rookie Rush as well as made top 4 in another, and I can confidently say this is a strong deck, but it does have clear weaknesses, and it may be frustrating to lose to Rookie Rush. However, just know there are ways to play around it, and you should incorporate those into your deck, aka play 1 to 2 volts. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we hope you stick around for our next piece of content. Thank you.